We are at Central Arizona College today on the Coolidge campus. We have juniors and seniors from 8 high schools in Pinal County to experience Worlds of Work Career Expo, Pinal County. Some of our employers here today are Resolution Copper, Florence Copper, Pinal County, Walmart, AES. We want the kids to understand what opportunities are available to them in their life, what education is necessary to pursue those opportunities, and most of all, we want to keep them in Pinal County. So all of these opportunities are available in Pinal County. They signed up for it, they had to get permission from their parents. Each school sent a bus of 50 potentially, and we even had kids' parents call us to say they didn't get on the bus, could they still come? So yes, absolutely interested in making sure they're on the right path.
Well, we have a diesel engine repair class, and we're learning about, we started out learning about vehicles and stuff, and then recently, within like the last month, we started doing torching, and then just yesterday we started welding, and so it seems like a pretty good, career for me. I'm not a very book smart, so I would rather do a little labor, I guess you could say. So I came to come out here and to look at the welding and stuff like that.
To see if there's a lesion from a stroke on those cranial nerves.
We're gonna go to MLT, which is medical laboratory tech, because me and my friend are trying to see stuff in the medical field.
The kids have an opportunity to visit 29 employers of different career paths. They can tour the campus. They'll get an understanding of financial aid.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Mock interviews. So mock interviews are a great opportunity for kids to learn the skill set required to do a successful interview. And it's not only kids, adults are nervous doing interviews. So this is in a setting where a professional will critique their interview skills and help them develop that skill set that will make sure they're confident in an interview. There's about 15 different opportunities for them to learn about how to pursue their career path.
So I got to use the backhoe to move a ball off the cone and put it in a bucket, and I was the first one to get it, so I was happy about that. A little bit of electric for the electric class, and then also some of the engine repair.
I think it's nice because people are able to try it out and see how well they like it before they commit to it.
For the kids who aren't here today, achievepinal.org has a website called Career Expo, and it profiles 506 career fields that kids can pursue, understanding what's required, what the salaries are paid, what the benefits, and the education, also financial aid, scholarships available to Pinal County kids. We're a small nonprofit economic development organization, and we couldn't have done this without our sponsors and without Central Arizona Colleges. This is our first year of doing this, and to have it be so successful out the gate is very inspiring.